To those guests who've joined us, welcome. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrails throughout our journey and remain clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.
Guess what today is?
Travel day!
It's travel day! Woo! We're heading to the airport right now.
Drive.
And it's just Bob and I on this trip. Well, for now. Right? Because we're meeting some friends that are already in Florida. They flew down this morning.
Yep, and we're going to meet them. So we're heading on down to the Big Blue Horse, get on the DIA, and fly on out of here.
The Big Blue Horse?
Yeah, you know, the one in front of the airport. Look at the red, scary eyes.
So we've been planning this trip for like a year now.
Yep, and we're going to stay at TBC, the Bay Lake Towers. We got Lakeview.
We rented points for this one.
Yep.
So our friends that are meeting us down there have never ever been to Disney before.
Yes.
So
first timers.
Their first time, so we get to show them the ropes and all that fun stuff.
We got lots of cool stuff planned.
Yep, lots of good food and just showing them around and gonna have a good time. So no kids, yay, no kids.
Yeah.
Sorry kids, we love you, but no kids.
But no kids.
No kids this time.
Yeah, whatever. They're having a party.
I know they're having a party at the house.
They're like, yes, go, leave.
Yeah, they were pretty excited that we were leaving.
Get out.
So anyway, we're just driving. We've got another 15 minutes or so till we get to the airport.
Yep.
And then we'll see you when we get there. Okay. Okay, that's not very exciting, is it?
No.
Sorry, I thought it was going to be more exciting. But really, it's just the exit to the parking garage.
Yes, we do off airport parking.
Yes, we do. Here we are. Oh, there's a nice sunspot.
Hello, sunspot.
So we do off airport parking?
Yes, and we get shuttled to the terminal. So it's like easy,
and it's a lot cheaper.
And it's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, our airport parking. Well, I'm sure most airport parking, like at the airport's really expensive.
But I like the way they drop you off at the front door.
Yeah.
We're actually going to park outdoors this time because we don't have to worry about hailstorms.
That's right. Hail season is past.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Now it's just snow season. Might come home to a snowed over car, but
yeah. I'll see if I can show you the mountains. There's some snow. I'll zoom in on the mountains over there. Can you see them? That white stuff. It looks like clouds, but it's snow on the mountains. Well, you can kind of see it.
Snow.
That white stuff equals snow.
Snow.
There. And there's a plane. Coming in.
Landing. 2 of them.
Oh yeah, we got 2 planes.
Busy airport.
Yeah, it's Friday. It's a busy.
It's like
What kind of plane is that?
Ski resorts are already open in some places.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's our parking garage.
Okay, we're on the plane. Yay. Ready to go. Got the window and the aisle. Yay. Hopefully nobody will sit next to me, but probably won't happen.
Yeah, we never get that lucky.
Never. So we'll see you when we get to Orlando. Okay, we just got into our room. This is our interim room because we got in late.
That's a good word.
Interim room. It means that we're going to be staying here tonight and we're going to take a car to Disney tomorrow, so we don't have to waste, you know, like time and just hang out for a night. It's a pretty nice little room. Wasn't a bad deal. It's the Hyatt Place Orlando Airport Hotel. There's a nice big couch right there. And here is a little wet bar with the fridge, sink, coffee maker, nice big mirror. Hello. Ooh, pretty artwork. And there's a little table with a lamp. TV's good size. You can see it from the beds or the couch. Nice little ice bucket. We need to get ice.
Ice bucket.
Ice, get ice. This is a double room, so we have 2 double beds. We did it through Southwest Vacation, so we got Southwest points for doing this. And here's our little bathroom area.
Lots of room.
Yeah, lots of room. Got nice counters. Big mirror. And then there's a full-length mirror, so you get to see all your gloriousness. Like that. See the keg? My 6-pack's behind it. Bathroom. Nice little tub. It's clean. Light comes on pretty slowly. But a lot of times when you go to like places where there's humidity, you can find mold in the bathrooms. This one doesn't have it. This one's pretty awesome. I'm very happy with this place as an interim place. Nice flight, a little bumpy. We had to go over a front.
Yeah,
So
lots of rain.
our seatbelt sign was on
The whole
like
time.
the whole flight.
Yeah.
And the flight attendants were like, sit down, seatbelt sign on, sit down. So
Well, they do that for a reason.
I know it's for our own safety, but still, you gotta pee. Sometimes you just gotta pee, you know?
Yeah.
And that's just how it is. Anyway, we're gonna end it now. We're just gonna say, see you tomorrow.
Love you, bye.
Bye.